Get ready to embark on a journey of creativity and craftsmanship. In this video, we're unveiling a collection of stunning macrame wall-hanging ideas that will breathe life and personality into your space. From boho feathers to geometric wonders, we've curated a selection that promises to transform your walls into a gallery of handmade artistry. Are you ready to dive into the world of macrame magic? Stay tuned as we guide you through step-by-step tutorials and unleash your inner artist. Let's turn ordinary chords into extraordinary creation.
Macrame wall hangings are a beautiful and versatile way to add a touch of bohemian and artistic flair to your home decor. Here are some macrame wall hanging ideas to inspire your creativity. Classic diamond pattern. Create a classic diamond-shaped macrame wall hanging using basic square knots. You can vary the size and intricacy of the diamonds to make it unique. Fringe and tassel wall hanging. Add layers of the fringe and tassel to your macrame piece. For a playful and textured design, you can vary the length and thickness of the fringe for a more dynamic look. Dip-dyed wall hanging. Start with the neutral colored macrame base and dip-dye the ends in various shades to create an ombre effect. This adds a subtle gradient of color to your wall hanging. Boho feathered wall hanging. Incorporate feathers into your macrame design to give it a bohemian and natural feel. Feathers can be attached at various points along the piece. Macrame plant hanger wall art. Create a macrame plant hanger and attach it to a wooden rod or branch. Hang multiple plant hangers at different heights to create a vertical garden effect. Geometric shapes. Experiment with creating geometric shapes such as triangles, hexagons, or circles using macrame knots. These can be combined for an abstract and contemporary look. Personalized name or word. Spell out a name or meaningful word using macrame letters. This personalized wall hanging can be a lovely addition to a nursery or bedroom. Macrame dream catcher. Combine the art of macrame with the dream catcher design. Incorporate beads, feathers, and other elements to create a unique piece that is both decorative and symbolic. Macrame wall mirror frame. Create a decorative frame for a round or oval mirror using macrame. The mirror will become the centerpiece of the wall hanging. Macrame wall hanging with shells. Incorporate seashells into your macrame design for a coastal or beachy vibe. For a coastal or beachy vibe, shells can be added to the fringe or as decorative elements. Layered macrame wall art. Make multiple macrame pieces of varying sizes and hang them together in layers to create a visually interesting and eye-catching composition. Rainbow-inspired macrame. Use a rainbow color palette to create a vibrant and cheerful macrame wall hanging. You can incorporate colored cards or even attach small, colorful macrame rainbows. Tree of Life macrame. Craft a tree of life design with intricate branches and leaves using macrame knots. This symbolizes growth and connection with nature. Macrame wall hanging with beads. Add wooden or metallic beads to your macrame piece to create a sense of texture and visual interest. Seasonal and holiday themes. Create macrame wall hangings with themes related to different seasons or holidays. For example, you can make a macrame piece with autumn leaves for fall or ornamental for Christmas. Remember to experiment with different knot patterns, card colors, and materials to create a macrame wall hanging that fits your style and complements your home decor. Macrame is a wonderful creative, and customizable art form. So don't be afraid to let your imagination run wild. Thanks for watching. Hi there, if you are enjoying the content so far, why not take a moment to hit that subscribe button below? By subscribing, you shall stay updated with our latest videos and be a part of our awesome community. Join us on this incredible journey. Simply click that subscribe button now and ring the notification bell to never miss an upload. Thanks for being a part of our channel.